Hello, it's Peter today again, and I'm glad to be back. And today I'm going to introduce you a dish where I have had an experience 40 years ago. I remember when I was working as a technician in Malacca, I used to go either for lunch, it's either Malay or Chinese. Okay, and typically Chinese will go for a Chinese shop or Chinese store, and Malay will go to the Malay store. But for me, at least 3 times in a week I will visit a Malay store. There's a food store which is quite near to the factory where I was working, and I just have to ride my motorcycle there. In just maybe 2 minutes I'll reach there, and there on my right hand side of the road is a Malay store which is attached to a village kampung house. Okay, a village kampung house. And on my left hand side is of course the shop houses where they sell Chinese food, Chinese chap fan or mixed rice food, or even this wonton noodles or fried kway teow. But 3 times at least in a week I will patronize the Malay lady, Malay auntie, which is very friendly, and she used to cook up a we call it the Asam Pedas Ikan. Okay, Asam Pedas Ikan Kembung, where they use these are the ingredients which I know now. Before that I don't know why is it that it's so fragrant and so nice. You know, not only the fragrance, the taste is just out of this world. It's just awesome. And today I'm going to show you how this dish is being made. Although it requires a lot of ingredients, especially when these are local ingredients, you can get it easily in the supermarkets, wet market or dry market. Now, of course, the most important thing, we need to have fish. This is Ikan Kembung, fresh Ikan Kembung. But today there's what I call a little twist, because I would add in some medium-sized prawns, you know, to enhance the taste. It has got a seafood taste, you know, a distinct seafood taste if you add prawns inside. Okay, followed by all these ingredients. First of all, we need to have red onions, okay, large onions, some garlic, some turmeric, ginger, and of course we also have this asam gologo, where we call garcinia, you know, garcinia slices which have been dried. Of course, also we have this Vietnamese mint. Okay, Vietnamese mint here in Malay we call it daun kesum, not daun ketum, daun kesum. Okay, so of course we also have this fenugreek. Fenugreek is a type of spice which is very aromatic. You don't need to add so much, just a little bit, just to give that little fenugreek spicy smell, very nice. And of course we also have tamarind. Okay, also we call it asam jawa, and of course chili kering, and this is lime leaves or kaffir lime leaves, and not forgetting the famous serai. Okay, these are lemongrass. It is grass, but it is lemongrass. It's very useful, very versatile. And not forgetting also, we have this fantastic bunga kantang. We call it the torch ginger flower. Okay, some people they use only the what they call this the flower, but you can also add in the stalks. You know, the stalks can be eaten. It's very nice. The smell is very aromatic. That is the thing that makes Asam Pedas Ikan very distinct from other cooking. Okay, it doesn't require coconut milk, but it requires a lot of spices, you know, and ingredients in it. So let's get going, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so these are the ingredients that need to be blended, and after this we're going to fry this over hot oil. Okay, now we're going to put in the ingredients, all these ingredients which I've already stated just now. We'll put it all in and blend them together. We'll add in some water. Now we'll add in some cold water for easy blending. Okay. Almost done. our paste is ready. Okay, we'll send it to the wok or the frying pan, okay, to fry it over hot oil so that the aroma will come up, you know, and then later on we'll mix in the ingredients and put in the fish and the rest of the ingredients. Okay, stay tuned and we will get to the kitchen and cook this up. Okay, this is the fenugreek seeds. Okay, we need to fry this up so that it is fragrant. When it's fragrant, then only we add in the paste. You don't add so much because if it's too strong, yeah, it's going to be not good. Okay, just a little bit will do, just for the taste. Yeah, this is the typical Malaccan Asam Pedas Ikan. And after this, now we can smell the fenugreek, or we call it the halba, biji halba in Malay. Now we add in all these ingredients. Nice fragrance. And we'll add in some chili paste to give it a color. Okay. Very hot. Yeah. It is very spicy because of the hot chili, from the chili paste as well as the dried chili. We wait until the oil will be separated from the paste. Then you add in the other ingredients. Now we add in the sugar and the salt. Now you add in this what do you call this, gardenia slices. Okay, or you call it asam galugu. We also add in now the what do you call this, asam java paste. Okay, this been filtered without the seeds. This will make it tasty, and even add a little bit sourness inside. Finally, we also add in the lemongrass, some tossed ginger stalks, add some kaffir lime leaves, Then we add in some oil to make the gravy. Sorry, some water. We add in the tossed ginger flower. One more. Okay, now we add some fish sauce, okay, for taste. Just 1 tablespoon will do. Before we add in the fish and the prawns. Now it's bubbling, and we can add in our fish now. Later on we add in the prawns, because the prawn will cook faster. Now we add in the other veggie like tomatoes, chilies, as well as the lady's finger. Last but not least, we add in the Vietnamese mint, okay, or daun kesum. That will add a distinct flavor into the asam pedas. Okay, of course, we're going to close it up with a cover, the wok cover, just for about another 1 minute before we add in the prawns. I think the fish is already cooked already now. And now we add in the prawns. Now these are medium-sized shrimps, look. So nice, it's fresh prawns. say 2 minutes. Wow, looks like the prawn is already cooked ready. Now what I do is that next I will transfer all these medium-sized prawns into a clay pot, okay, a clay pot, and you will continue to cook in the clay pot. You put in some of those lady's finger, some tomatoes, and some tossed ginger. I will also transfer some gravy into this clay pot. You can continue to cook in the clay pot for another, say, 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, until the vegetables are all soft enough. Okay, so this is done. We have our prawn asam pedas, and the prawns all underneath. So we're going to bring it up. Look at that. Okay, we'll close this up, and this one, the fish will transfer to another clay pot. Okay, now the fish will transfer into a clay pot. You can heat it up in the clay pot as well, and whenever you want to eat, and we can even serve it with the clay pot. So the fish are done. When you see the eyes of the fish are white in color. Okay, we are done. Now the moment of reckoning has arrived. Let's see how it tastes. See? And we add some of this flavor gravy there. Add in some more flavor. Let's see how it tastes. Look. So nice. It brings me back to 40 over years ago in Malacca, and this is the actual taste that I've tasted in Malacca when I was just a young man, and it just gives me that nostalgic feeling. Okay, but it was without the prawns. Okay, it's the same type of fish, Ikan Kembung. So nice. Oh my. Thank God I'm able to cook up this food. Now let's see the prawn. These are medium-sized prawn. These are actually prawns that are caught in the sea. They taste better than the prawns that are raised in the farm because these are in natural habitat. Let's see how it tastes. We'll add in some gravy. Friends are fresh, so sweet. Yeah, you can also add in this a little bit to eat with your fish, and this is what you call lady's finger. Yeah, in our country it's called lady's finger. It's very nice. Lady's finger is a well-known veggie consumed by almost everybody. Nice. It's just out of this world. This is awesome. I hope you guys will try it at home, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it to your friends. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, Peter Chong, subscribe to my channel and set the notification on. And I can assure you that more and more videos will come out. Very many types of videos. Meanwhile, I'm just starting with cooking, but later on it's going to be a lot of other adventures. So see you then the next time. Bye bye.